Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good afternoon. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Resti Korima. I'm student of Asia University Bandung. What I want to do this afternoon is to discuss tips and tricks material about listening Parsi interval. My presentation lasts about 20 minutes. Let's start our lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully in the next few minutes we can focus of learning and on learning and understanding the material that has been given. For Parsi listening strategy, this is listening Parsi strategy. First, if you have the time, preview the answer to the listening Parsi question. While you are looking at the answer, you should try to anticipate the question for each of the groups of answer. And second, listen carefully to the first line of the talk. The first line of the talk often contains the main idea, subject, or topic of the conversation, and you often be asked to answer such question. Third, as you listen to the talk, follow along with the answer in your textbooks and try to determine the correct answer. Detailed question are generally answered in order in the conversation, and the answer often sounds the same as what what is said on the recording. Fourth, you should guess even if you are not sure. Never leave any answer blank. And last, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to question that follow. So now let's continue to skill 10, 11, and 12. For skill 10, about question, anticipate what question will arise, such as like who is talking, when does the conversation probably takes place, and where does the conversation probably take place, how long, how much, and how many, and last, what is the topic. Okay, for example, study the following answer and try to determine what the question will be. Question blah blah blah. We must listening part C, and for the answer, we must match answer from number one. This is the question is what is the topic of the talk. And next, skill 11. Okay, skill 11 about the topic. Think about the topic or main idea of each talk while listening to each talk is listening part C. For example, narrator listen to a talk at the start of a meeting, and woman said, "I didn't like to call this meeting to order now. This is the third monthly meeting of the science club this semester, and today we need to discuss the upcoming science fair. The topic of the talk is a meeting of the science club to discuss the science fair. Listen to the first part of each of the talk and discuss on the topic of each talk. Like, what is the topic of talk 1? Okay, next, skill 12. Skill 12 about the order of the answer. The answer is listening part C are generally found in order in the top. Think about the answer to the question in the order that they are listened in the textbooks while listening to the top. Example, narrator say question 1 through 3 listen to a talk about cats. Woman say many people are allergic to cats. If they come in contact with cats, they sneeze, their skin turns red, and their eyes begin to burn. However, it is not only people who suffer from allergic. Cats may also be allergic to pollen, dust, and perfumes. Many of Sam's agents that cause allergic. A veterinarian can prescribe medication to help solve the problem. On the recording, we can hear narrators say what happens to people suffer from allergy, what is mentioned about cats, and what cats some do with a cat that has allergy. Like number 1, in your textbook, you read same time. The question is C. Uh, they, they sneeze. Um, Okay, we that the discuss about listening part C and strategies and some skill like question, the topic and the order of the answer. Finally, we have finished discussing 3 skill from written in TOEFL, skill 10, 11, 12. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully, what I said can be understood and useful. Sorry if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah di stop.